In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the code from the Lovable AI. Here's the plan for what we'll do together. We'll open Lovable, find the exact project you want, switch to the code view, and copy a file's contents safely and cleanly. I'll also share a few practical tips to make the process smooth and to help you avoid common copy-paste pitfalls. Start by opening your preferred browser and heading to lovable.dev. Using a modern, up-to-date browser will make the interface load faster and ensure the code editor behaves as expected. If you're prompted, sign in with the account that has access to your project so you can see everything you need. Once you're in, locate the project where you want to get the code. If you have a lot of projects, the search bar and filters are your friends. You can scan your recent projects, sort by last updated, or filter by owner or team. Take a moment to confirm you're opening the right project, especially if you manage multiple versions or similar names. When you see the project you need, click it to open the workspace. Inside the project, look for the code view. This is typically labeled code and may appear as a tab or a section in the main navigation. Click into it, and you should see a file tree on the left and a code editor pane on the right. If the file tree is collapsed, expand it to reveal folders and files so you can drill down to exactly what you need. Now select the file whose contents you want to copy. As soon as the file opens in the editor pane, use the Copy File Content button. This action grabs the entire contents of the file in one click, preserving indentation and formatting. It saves you from manually highlighting long files and accidentally missing a line. After you click it, switch to your destination, whether that's your local code editor, a repository, or a notes document, and paste. If you're pasting into a codebase, keep the original file name and extension, and match the same folder path to avoid import or resolution errors. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If the file references other modules or assets, remember that you may need to repeat the same copy action for those related files so everything runs correctly. When pasting, use a plain text or code-aware editor to keep formatting intact. And if you're collaborating, note where the code came from and the version of the project so teammates can trace changes later. That's it. You've gone to Lovable, open the correct project, switch to the code view, and use copy file content to grab exactly what you need. Thanks for watching, and happy building.